More Thomas, are they lovers, more Thomas? Are they lovers? You think?
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hi Martha, say hi. What are you doing there? What's this supot? What are you doing? Anyway guys, so we are going to riding mountain this time, but it's raining so hard there. So see ya, but we will do some side trips along the way. See you later.
Hi guys! So our family will stay at Wasagaming Campground in Riding Mountain National Park for 4 days and 3 nights. Last year guys, we also booked at the campground, but we canceled it due to COVID. And this year we decided to go despite of the storm forecast. You know, we booked this site for like 4 months ago, and we already have approved vacations, and this is an adventure in a way, so this can be a lot of fun. My office friend suggested to stop at Neepawa and visit their town's little gem, the Neepawa Bird Sanctuary. We'll see later what's in there. But before that, please support our channel by clicking the like and share if you can, and also please subscribe if you have not done it yet.
So guys, now we are here in Neepawa, and my already shining. We are here in Neepawa. We're going to have a side trip at the Neepawa Bird Sanctuary. Oh. Just to break the travel.
They said that Neepawa Bird Sanctuary is a great place to take the kids. It's free, and they have slide and swings. We'll see.
Huh? I don't know. I don't see any birds. There it is. Oh.
That's why you have to feed there. So what are those?
I see a rooster. I see a duck. A chicken.
Duck and gansa.
Geese.
Gansa. What is the one there? The white one.
Where? This is
That's
one.
one.
No, it's still a geese. Those are still goose.
Those are piggies.
Where?
Those are ducks.
Mm.
The other one there.
Oh. Peking. Peking duck.
I like the chicken. Turkey?
Yeah, where?
Chicken there is great. The chicken there.
I know.
Close to the door.
Yeah. So, Isa Canada goose. It's
Is it a bird?
cat
Is it a bird?
sanctuary. Oh,
The Neepawa Bird Sanctuary is nestled on the south of town by Park Lake, and the sanctuary is home to the emus, pheasants, peacocks, ducks, geese, and other animals. The facility, guys, is operated by volunteers and community donations.
these are emus. Emus. No, these are not peacocks. Yeah.
You ask them.
Yep. Imu. Imu akun. Tapos nakakanas. They look so cute together. It's a love story, you know. Where are they housed during the winter? Oh, so they have a path. And then like there. So they go here. Maybe that happens during the winter and up there in the house. So guys, that's it.
A small side trip.
Yeah, I was really like expecting that it's a little bit bigger, but and I really thought that there's a lot of birds here. Yeah, but this is also a nice place to stop over when you're having a long drive. Ah, there's like a cliff. Oops.
So, mallard mailboxes. The mallard is the most plentiful North American duck.
Oh,
Artificial nest structures are
guys,
very.
that was it. I thought it's big or it has lots of birds. So maybe it has lots of birds. They aren't just visible because it's a bit raining. It's raining a bit.
Well, they have birds, just like the birds you think of.
Probably. I guess that's one of the best explanations.
What birds are you expecting?
Like I was
You want
or maybe
big,
in
big,
the
big?
no, maybe in the park. We just didn't go to the park because it's raining, or it's not really raining but it's drizzling. So a path because you can go to a lake or something, and then I've seen in one of the pictures.
So guys, that was just a short stopover and we are able to visit Neepawa Bird Sanctuary. And watch out for our next video, our camping experience amidst stormy condition at Riding Mountain National Park. See you!